The story of our skin is often told in lines and shadows, a map of our years etched upon our faces. But what if you could rewrite that story? What if the secret to turning back the clock wasn't in an expensive cream, but already inside you, waiting to be unlocked? This isn't science fiction. It's the science of autophagy, your body's own fountain of youth. At the heart of our cells, a remarkable process called autophagy is constantly at work. Imagine it as your body's most diligent recycling program. The term itself means self-eating, and it's exactly what it sounds like. Within each cell, specialized components seek out old, damaged, or dysfunctional parts, like worn-out proteins and tired mitochondria. These cellular janitors then break down this waste, recycling the raw materials to build new, healthy, and vibrant cell components. It's a fundamental process of renewal, a deep cleaning mechanism that keeps our bodies running efficiently and youthfully from the inside out. So how does this cellular cleanup crew affect the skin you see in the mirror? As we age, the efficiency of autophagy naturally slows down. This deceleration means that cellular waste starts to accumulate within our skin cells. Think of it like a city where the garbage collectors go on strike. Trash piles up and the whole system becomes sluggish and dysfunctional. For our skin, this buildup of cellular debris disrupts normal function, leading to the visible signs of aging we all recognize. Fine lines, deep wrinkles, sagging, and a loss of that youthful elasticity and glow. The accumulation of damaged collagen and elastin fibers, which autophagy would normally clear out, directly contributes to a complexion that looks tired and aged. The exciting news is that we have the power to reinvigorate this natural process. One of the most effective ways to stimulate autophagy is through intermittent fasting. By creating a window of time where you're not consuming calories, you signal your body to switch from growth mode to repair mode. During this fasted state, cells ramp up their autophagic activity, diligently clearing out accumulated waste. Similarly, engaging in regular moderate exercise sends a powerful signal to your cells. Activities like brisk walking, jogging, or yoga trigger a state of beneficial stress that encourages cells to clean house and optimize their function, boosting energy and renewal. What you eat also plays a crucial role in this rejuvenation journey. Certain foods are packed with compounds that naturally enhance autophagy, incorporating antioxidant-rich berries. The polyphenols found in green tea and the healthy fats in nuts can provide your cells with the support they need to maintain this vital cleaning process. These foods don't just nourish your body, they actively help your cells repair themselves, contributing to a healthier, more resilient complexion that radiates from within. Ultimately, the quest for youthful skin isn't about fighting against your body, but working in harmony with its incredible, innate intelligence. By understanding and supporting the process of autophagy through simple lifestyle changes like intermittent fasting, exercise, and a thoughtful diet, you can awaken your body's own powerful anti-aging mechanism. It's a journey back to vitality, a way to reclaim your skin's natural radiance by harnessing the power that has been within you all along.